Good morning. I'm Anitha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Let us discuss about the online analytical processing topic. What is OLAP? OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing. OLAP is a classification of software technology. It authorizes analytics managers and executives to gain insights into information through fast, consistent, interactive accesses in a wide variety of possible views of data that has been transformed from raw information to reflect the real dimensionality of the enterprises as understood by the clients. OLAP implement the multidimensional analysis of business information and support the capability of complex estimations, trend analysis, and sophisticated data modeling. It is rapidly enhances the essential foundations of intelligent solutions containing business performance management, planning, budgeting, forecasting, financial documentation analysis, simulation model, knowledge discovery, and data warehouse reporting. And then OLAP enables end client to perform ad hoc analysis of record in multiple dimensions, providing the insights and understanding they require for better dimensions making. Then, who are all uses OLAP and why they are using? OLAP applications are used by a variety of functions of your organization, and in finance and accounting, they are used for budgeting, activity-based costing, financial performance analysis, and financial models. Next, coming to sales and marketing, they are used for sales analysis and forecasting, marketing research analysis, promotion analysis, customer analysis, and market and customer segmentations. Next, production planning, defect analysis. OLAP cubes have two main purposes. The first is to provide business users with their data model more intuitive to then a tabular model. This model is called dimension model. The second purpose is to enable fast query response that is usually difficult to achieve using tabular models. How OLAP works? OLAP has a very simple concept and it pre-calculates most of the queries. They are typically very hard to execute over tabular databases, namely aggregation, joining, and grouping. These queries are calculated during a process that is usually called building or processing of the OLAP queue. This process happens overnight, and by the time end user get to work and the data work updated. Next, coming to some of the guidelines, there are 12 guidelines and requirements are the basis of selecting OLAP system. One is multi-dimensional conceptual view. This is multi-dimensional conceptual view. This is the central features of OLAP systems. By needing a multi-dimensional view, it is possible to carry out methods like slice and dice. Next, transparency, make the technologies underlying information repository, computing operations, and the dissimilar nature of sources data totally transparent to users. Such transparency help to improve the efficiency and productivity of the users. Next, coming to accessibility, it provides access only to the data that is actually required to perform the particular analysis, presents a single, coherent, and consistent view to the clients. The OLEP system must map its own logical schema to the heterogeneous physical data stores. Next, consistent reporting performance to ensure that the user do not feel any significant degradation in the documentation. Performance as the number of dimensions or the size of the database increases. Next, client service architecture. Make the service components of OLAP service tools sufficiently intelligent to the various clients to be attached with a minimum of efforts and the integration programming. The server should be capable of mapping and consolidating data between dissimilar databases. Next, coming to generic dimensional, an OLAP method should treat each dimension as equivalent in both in structure and operational capabilities. Dynamic sparse matrix handling to adapt the physical schema and the specific analytical model being created and loaded that optimization sparse matrix handling. While encountering the sparse matrix, the system must be easy to dynamic. Next, coming to multi-user support, OLAP tools must provide concurrent data access, tools integrity, and access security. Unrestricted cross-dimensional operations provides the ability for the methods to identify dimensional orders and necessarily functions roll-up and drill down methods within a dimension across the dimensions. Initiative data manipulation fundamentals, the consolidations of directions like reorientation, drill down and roll up, and another manipulation to be accomplished naturally and precisely via point and click and drag drop down methods on the cell of the scientific model. Next, coming to flex reporting, it implements efficiency to the business clients to organize column rows and cells in a manner that facilitates simple manipulation, analysis, and synthesis of data. Unlimited dimensions and aggregation levels. The number of data dimensions should be unlimited. Each of these common dimension must allow a practically unlimited number of customer defined aggregations and level within any given consolidation path.